Channel. Today discuss about element of direct taxes, MCQ of resident status and incident of the tax. Let's start. First MCQ. If Aniruddha has stayed in India is the previous 2020 and for the 118 days and he is a non-resident in 9 out of 10 years, immediately proceed the current previous year, and he is stay in India 365 days in all in the 4 years, immediately this proceed the current previous year, and 420 days in all in the 7 year, immediately proceed the current previous year. His resident status for the assessment year 2021 would be, the answer is option B, that is a resident, but they cannot be ordinary resident. Second, Raman was employed in Hindustan Lever Limited. He received a salary in 40,000 per month from the 1st April 2019 to 27th 9 2019. He is resigned and left for the Dubai for the first time on the 1st October 2019 and got the salary of the rupees equivalent of the 18,000 per month from the 1st October 2019 to 31st March 2020. His salary for October to December 2019 was credited his Dubai bank account, and the salary of January to March 2020 was exactly credited his Bombay account directly. He is liable to tax rebate. तो यहाँ पर उसकी सैलरी दुबई बैंक अकाउंट में भी क्रेडिट की गई है और इन द इंडिया फॉर द अकाउंट ऑफ द क्रेडिटेड इन द बॉम्बे अकाउंट डायरेक्टली. तो यहाँ पर आंसर इज इनकम रिसीव इन इंडिया एंड इन दुबई. That is the option B. 3. A company would be resident in India for the previous year 2019-20 if option A. It is any Indian company. B. During the year majority of its director resident in India. C. During the previous it's a place effective management if in India. D. Both A and C. The answer is option D, both A and C. Fourth, income accrued in the London and received their taxable in India. In the case of they can be resident and ordinary resident only for the India. They can be taxable. But the answer is option A, resident and ordinary resident only. Next, fifth, income which accrued or arise outside India but received directly in India are taxable in case of A. Resident and ordinary resident only. B. Both resident and ordinary resident and resident but not ordinary resident. C. Non-resident. D. All of the above. The income is accrue or arise outside India but they can receive directly India. They can be taxable. The case of all above, the answer is option D. They can be resident and ordinary resident. They all. 6. Income on a contract sessions by agent in India in the name of non-resident but approved by the such non-resident cells. The option A, be taxable in India. Such income is deemed to accrue or arise in India. B, not be taxable in India as there no business connection in India. C, be taxable in India only if it is received in India. The answer is option A, be taxable in India as such income is deemed to accrue or arise in India. 7. Fees for technical service paid by the central government will be taxable in the case of option A, resident to be ordinary resident only, both resident and ordinary resident, and the resident but not ordinary resident. C, non-resident. D, all of the above. The case of taxable is all of above. The option D is the right answer. 8. Short-term capital gain on the sale of the share of India company received in Australia. The sale of the share India company is received in Australia is taxable in case of residently and ordinary resident only. B, but the resident and ordinary resident and resident not ordinary. C, non-resident. D, all of the above. The answer is option D, all of the above. 9. Income from a business in Canada. Control from Canada is taxable in the case of so they can be resident and ordinary resident only for India. The answer is option A. 10. Dividend income from Australia company is received in Australia in the year of 2018 brought the India during the previous year. The 2019-20 is taxable in the case of resident and ordinary resident only. B, resident but not ordinary resident. C, non-resident. D, all of the above. The taxable in the case of all of the above. The answer is option D. 11. Mr. Joy, a foreign national working with the Mr. Income, a USA company, some India during the previous year 2019-20 for rendering service on the behalf of the employer. He wishes to claim his salary income earned during his stay in India as exempt. Which of the following conditions is not necessary to be fulfilled the claim? Such remuneration as the exempted income. There cannot be necessary for the Mr. Joy should be the overseas citizen of India because they can not necessary. The answer is option B. 13. Which of the following income is not deemed the accrue or arise in India? Section 9 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Option A, income from any business connect in India. B, income through from any property in India. C, income arise from transfer of a capital assets situation in India. D, income related to operation with the confirm the purchase of the goods in India for the purpose of export. The income is not deemed accrued. The arise answer is option D. Income related to operating which has confirmed purchase goods in India for the purpose of export. 14. During the previous year 2019-20, Mr. Summer, a non-resident, received the 75 lakh account of the sale of agricultural land machinery that Money is a first received in maturity and then limited in India bank account in the sum taxable in India. The taxable in India. Option A. Non no as agriculture income is exempted under section 10. B. No as income as accrued and arise outside India is also received outside India. C. Yes, since the remitted to India in the same year. D. Yes, as agriculture income on outside India is not exempted India in the hand of non-resident. The answer is option B. No, as the income accrued and arise outside India is also received outside India. Fifth, Mr. Happy US citizen come the India for the assigned from the 11st 2016 to 9th October 2016 went to back his home country. Completion is the same. Thereafter, the visiting India for the 5 July 2018 again that assignment with the on the 26th May 2019. What is the latest date of which the Mr. Happy should date from India and after completing the assignment? So there is a quality of non-resident for the previous year 2020 and 19. Which date Mr. Happy is a depart from the India and after completing? The answer is near this date. The answer is option A 29